Namaskar dear students, prayers to Ma Sharda. We are learning second chapter of 11th standard, units and measurement. Okay, yesterday in last lecture we discussed that unit is a standard measure. Okay, standard measure of a physical quantity. Physical quantity is a concept to describe any physical event. Physical quantity is a concept to describe any physical event. Okay, which can the physical quantity must be one that can be measured. Now measured in terms of a numerical value and a unit. Okay, so this is the chapter, units and measurements. Okay, now there were some known unit systems were there. Yesterday I told you that a unit system is a combination of units of base quantities or say fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Okay, so in earlier days some unit systems were already known. Okay, they were CGS unit system. It is called centimeter, gram, second. Centimeter, gram, second system. Okay, for length they used centimeter, for mass they used gram, for time they used second. The other was FPS unit system, foot, pound, second. It was known as British system. Okay, and the third is MKS unit system. Okay, meter, kilogram, second. Length measured in meter, mass in kilogram, and second in time in second. Okay, so these were known unit systems. Okay, but there were some problems. See, if I want to convert 2.5 feet in centimeter, 2.5 feet in centimeter, the conversion is very difficult. Okay, so what happened that for same description, if two persons use different system, then it was very difficult to compare the results. Okay, so the world realized that there must be a uniform system. Okay, actually world realized in 1875. In 1875 they realized that there must be a universal system. Okay, in 1948 serious efforts started. In 1960 SI was established. Okay, SI stands for the International System of Units. SI stands for the International System of Units. Okay, SI was established in 1960, but initiative began in 1948. Okay, now see the International System of Units. Why it is not ISU or like that? Because it is an abbreviated form. It is abbreviated from SI. That is a French word. System International. Okay, that is a French word. System International. Okay, now the SI system is one form of modern metric system. What is metric system? Metric system was the first unit system introduced by France in 1789. Okay, this is SI is one type of modern form of metric system. SI is the only system with an official status in every country in the world. Today, SI is the only system, okay, with an official status in every country in the world. Okay. Now, what is SI? Okay, it comprises a coherent system of units of measurement starting with 7 base units. There are 7 base units in SI. Okay, see here only 3 base units. So they were missing electric field, magnetic field, temperature, current. Okay, so CGS, FPS, MKS, they were missing this ampere and Kelvin and everything. So it was the limitation of these systems. Okay, so here in SI we have 7 base units. 7 base units. Yesterday I told you that the units derived from base units are called derived units. So there are so many derived units, but this SI has 22 derived units with special names. 22 derived units with special names. Okay, and moreover, see, we need very small unit to very large unit. Measurements are from very small to very large. Okay, some things are very small, some things are very large. Okay, so in order to have facility to make such arrangement, we are using prefixes in SI. What is meant by prefixes? Prefixes means powers of 10. Okay, there are total 20 prefixes in SI. So normally all the teachers, and I have seen, so most of the teachers and even textbooks, even our textbook, they mention that SI means 7 base units. It is not. Okay, SI means 7 base units, and some units were added afterwards. So first of all, 7 base units, 22 derived units with special names, and 20 prefixes. That the combination of these is called SI. Okay, not only 7 base units. Okay, so now this is the logo. Okay, this is the logo of SI. Okay, in logo there are 7 base units that I will be covering tomorrow. Okay, these are the base units. Okay, we will be learning tomorrow. What are these 7? They are constants. Okay, they are 7 defining constants. So in logo they have included 7 defining constants. Okay, now this logo is prepared by BIPM. What is BIPM? It is International Bureau of Weights and Measures. Okay, it is located at Paris. Its task is to ensure unification of measurement across the world. Okay, and updation of units if needed. Okay, BIPM was created under Meter Convention. Meter Convention is a diplomatic treaty. Meter Convention was done by CGPM. What is CGPM? It is the supreme body. Okay, it is General Conference on Weights and Measures. Okay, it is Intergovernmental Treaty Organization. What is CGPM? It is Intergovernmental Treaty Organization. The full form is General Conference on Weights and Measures. It signed a treaty called Meter Convention. Meter Convention formed BIPM. BIPM is International Bureau of Weights and Measures, located at Paris. It ensures the unification of measurement across the world. Okay, this BIPM prepared this logo of SI. Okay, so actually in our textbook they have written that SI is formed in 1971, but that is partially correct. Okay, it started in 1960, ended in 1971, up to 7 base units. Updations are still on. In 1971, in 14th conference, they added mole. Okay, last 7 base unit is mole. Okay, they added in 1971. So it completed in 1971, but still updations are on. Okay, so let us have a quick revision of today's lecture. Okay, we are learning units and measurements. Okay, unit is a standard measure of a physical quantity. Physical quantity is a concept to describe physical event which can be measured. Okay, measured in terms of a numerical number and a unit. There were no unit systems. Unit system means a system having units of base quantities and derived quantities. there were some unit systems known as CGS, centimeter gram second, FPS, foot pound second, MKS, meter kilogram second. But they didn't they didn't have units of some quantities like temperature, okay, electric current. So that was limitation. Moreover, the conversion of units were very difficult. Okay, it created many problems. So world realized that there must be a universal system. World realized in 1875, but they were serious in 1948. Then in 1960, this SI was established. In 1971, SI completed. SI stands for the Universal System of Units. The International System of Units. Okay, it is a universal system. Okay, accepted by all the countries. Only system. Okay, accepted by all the countries. Okay, it comprises of 7 base units, 22 derived units with special names, okay, and 20 prefixes. Prefixes are powers of 10. Okay, this is logo of SI prepared by BIPM. BIPM means International Bureau of Weights and Measures. Okay, it prepared this logo. This logo has 7 base units and 7 defining constants. Okay, BIPM works under CGPM. CGPM is Supreme Body. Full form is General Conference on Weights and Measures. It is intergovernmental treaty organization. It signed a treaty called Meter Convention. Meter Convention formed BIPM. Okay, the task of BIPM is to update to ensure the updations of units and unification of measurement across the world. Bye.